you've looked at all the tutorials, you know exactly what to do now, and let's pretend there's a video here. This is the video I'm making now, where you submit your assignment. When you're ready to submit an assignment, you will scroll up to the top and hit Submit Assignment. You're going to choose a file. If you do not have a file, you need to create one. For this assignment, you're going to photograph the paper that you just did. Okay, when taking a photo of an assignment, oftentimes students will just like, okay, I've got it pretty much, and then they take the photograph right there. That's not going to work because you've got some of it cut off. Another thing students do is they try to take the photo while they're sitting down, and then whatever's closer to you is in focus and what's further away is not in focus at all. So two things I want you to do. First off, stand so that you're directly above the paper. Second, make sure you have decent lighting. If it's really dark, that's not good, and if it's overly bright, that's not good. You should be able to see what you're taking a photo of. Second thing, most cameras and smartphones, you can click on the center, hold it down, does that little autofocus, auto lock, locks on, you can let go, and then you can scroll by pressing and moving up to make it bright, overexposed, or down to make it underexposed. Just make sure you can see the writing, make sure the entire paper is in the scene, and then photograph it. This is what you're going to end up editing in Photoshop and then submitting on Canvas. Make sure that the photograph is legible, you can see everything within the image, and that it's saved as a JPEG. Sometimes photos are people try to submit them as a Photoshop file. You don't want to do that. So when you're in Photoshop and you're saving your image, hit Command Shift S, or you go up to File and then Save As. You do either one of those, does the same thing. Then save it as a JPEG. So under Format, you're going to change that format from Photoshop or whatever it currently is to a JPEG photo, JPG. Alright, so let's pretend I've gone through all the steps for editing a photo. I'm going to choose the file. File is located on my desktop. Before I add that file, I'm going to click it, wait for a second, click again, and then I'm going to rename it. Always label your photos. I'm going to repeat that.
Always label your photos. Always label your photos. Always label your photos.
Whatever it is, label it. So this one is new to Mr. Schafer's class handout. So I'm going to write handout so that I know, so that Mr. Schafer knows what it is. Alright, so I want to get that file onto my computer. So I'm going to click Choose File. Then I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where it's located. I'm going to go to my handout because that's what I want to upload. Click Open. And then now it's been attached. If you try and exit now, I will not see that file. You have to click Submit Assignment. It'll take a second to submit, and it will be done. In the top right corner, you'll see that your submission was turned in. If you don't see that, then something went wrong.